Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope all of you are happy, healthy, and ready to study English. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Finish? Thank you. Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name is Munawwara Hasibuan. I am an English teacher who believes that English should be fun, interesting, and meaningful. Okay. I have a question for you. Have you ever talked with your friends about your favorite food, movie, or football team? For example, one friend say I like football, while another say I prefer badminton. Okay. Do you know when we say what we think about something, we are giving our opinions. Okay. Today's lesson is how to ask for and give opinions. Okay. Okay, now look at this picture. We have pizza and burger. Okay. Raise your hand if you like pizza. Okay, good job. And who likes burger? Okay, can you tell me why do you like pizza and burger? Okay, excellent. Okay, everyone has different answer and everyone has different opinions, and that's okay. Okay, today we are going to learn how to express those opinions in English. Nah, have you ever said, menurutmu bagaimana? Aku rasa bla 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 bla. Aku setuju bla 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 bla. Aku kurang setuju. Oke, kalau dalam kalimat bahasa Indonesianya seperti aku rasa aku lebih suka coklat daripada matcha. Aku setuju jika si Doni menjadi ketua kelas. Itu adalah cara we use this expression every day ketika kita mau memberikan opini, memberikan pendapat dan opini. Okay, today we learn how to say them in English. Okay? Sebelum kita masuk ke pembelajaran inti, di sini Miss mengharap semua setelah mempelajari pelajaran ini, semua murid bisa memahami. So then we'll be able to ask for someone opinion. Yang kedua, for the second, give your opinion politely, and the last, respond to different opinion confidently. Okay, for the first one is asking for opinions. Okay. Oke, di sini kalau kita mau menanyakan opini, pendapat, ada beberapa some ways to asking for opinions. For the first one itu what do you think? Okay, repeat after me. What do you think? What do you think? Okay. Next, what's your opinions?
What's your opinion?
Okay. The next, how do you feel about it?
How do you feel about it?
Okay. And the last, do you agree?
Do you agree?
Oke, di sini sudah Miss buat apanya ya, translate-nya, terjemahannya. What do you think itu menurutmu bagaimana? And next itu what's your opinion, itu pendapatmu, apa pendapatmu? And next, how do you feel about it? Bagaimana pendapatmu? Dan the last is do you agree? Apakah kamu setuju? Nah, we use this want to know someone's opinion. Okay? Got it? Okay, next. And the second is giving opinions. If we know, let's learn how to give opinions. If someone asks for our opinion, we can answer, I think, saya pikir, in my opinion, menurut pendapat saya, I believe, saya percaya, personally, I think. Okay. You can repeat after me. I think. Okay, good. In my opinion. Okay, good job. I believe. Good job. Personally, I think. Okay, there are some ways to giving opinions. You got it, guys? Okay, next. The last is about disagree and agree or disagree. Ada beberapa cara untuk menyatakan tidak setuju dan setuju. The first one is agree. Agree. There are some ways to say about agree. Yang pertama ada I agree. Repeat after me. I agree. Okay, next. You're right. You're right. Next, exactly. And the last, that's true. And some ways to say about disagreeing. For the first one, I don't think so. Next, I have a different opinion. And the last, I'm afraid I disagree. Remember, when we disagree, we should still be polite and respectful. Jadi, kalau kita mempunyai pendapat yang berbeda-beda, kita tetap harus menghargai pendapat orang lain. Okay, guys? Okay, yuk. Nah, sekarang kita mau speaking practice. Ada dialog antara si A dan si B. Si A bertanya tentang pendapat dan B itu menjawab opinion. Let's identify together. Okay. For the first one itu, what do you think about online learning? Apa pendapatmu tentang pembelajaran online? Okay. Si B menanya, I think online learning is helpful. Saya merasa online learning sangat bermanfaat karena because we can study anywhere. Karena kita bisa belajar dimanapun. Sekarang tugas kalian adalah coba identifikasi bersama-sama which sentence is asking for an opinion dan which sentence is about giving on opinions. Okay. Nah, yang pertama, what do you think about online learning? Is it asking for an opinion or giving an opinion? Ya, betul. Ini adalah kalimat atau cara menjawab asking opinion. Oke. Yang terakhir ada I think online learning is helpful because we can study anywhere. Is it asking for or giving opinion? Ya, yang bagian B ini adalah memberikan opinion. Oke. Next. Oke, thank you guys. Cukup sekian materi kita hari ini. Jadi next kita di sini Miss mau mentes pemahaman kalian tentang asking for and giving opinion. Oke, di sini Miss mau tanya dulu kalian ya. Coba what do you think about English?
I think English is important.
Important.
Yes.
Okay, yes, I agree with you. Now, how about Homework.
I think too much homework is tiring.
Oh, tiring. Yes. Good. Yes, I agree with you. Okay. Nah, there are some question to you to answer together. Let's coba perhatikan ke depan. Ya, mari kita jawab pertanyaan ini sama-sama. Okay. For the first question is, what do you think about this movie? Pertama, ada jawabannya good morning. Kedua, see you. Atau yang ketiga, I think it's amazing. And the last, thank you. Which one the correct answer?
I think it's amazing.
Yes, correct. I think it's amazing. What do you think about this movie? The correct answer is I think it's amazing. Good job. Okay, next. Yeah. Next. Okay, the next question is I blah blah blah. English is important. Eat, drink, think, or go.
Think.
Yeah, the correct answer is
Think.
Next question is tadi belum dijawab. Sorry. Think. Okay. Okay, next. What do you think about football? I think it's exciting. Thank you. Goodbye or good night.
I think it's exciting.
Yes, the correct answer is I think it's exciting. Good job, guys. Okay. Oke, yuk sebelum kita tutup, mari kita re-review, kita ulang lagi pelajaran kita tentang how to ask for and give opinions. Oke. Nah, oke, yang pertama yaitu asking for opinions. Apa-apa saja ada. Ayo, repeat together.
What do you think?
Oke, next apa?
What's your opinion?
Next, how do you feel
About it?
Next,
Do you agree?
Remember ya, kalau kita mau menanyakan opini, kita bisa memilih antara semuanya ini ya. Oke. Yang kedua, giving opinion itu I think, in my opinion, I believe, and personally I think. Oke. Dan ada cara juga kalau kita mau menyatakan setuju dan tidak setuju, yaitu ada I agree, you're right, exactly, that's true. Kalau disagreeing, I don't think so, I have different opinion, I have a different opinion, terus I'm afraid I disagree. Nah, cukup sekian pertemuan kita hari ini. Oke. Before we finish, let's okay, today we learn how to ask for an opinion politely in English. Remember, expressing opinions is important communication to our daily communication. Okay. I'm very proud of you. To my lovely student, keep practice English in your home ya. Okay, yuk. We close together. Before we close our lesson today, let's pray together. Finish. Thank you. Thank you for your attention and your active practice. See you in the next lesson. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.